I would like to thank the brand for sending me this bag to try. I was really impressed with it. The straps are so versatile. You can put them however you like. This is the bag, and there are two separate straps here to use it as a backpack. From the sides here, from the top, and here on the bottom. I like that it has extra legs here to sit on them. I like the details of the zippers. Look at these cute stars. Extra for the middle, for the backpack, is this one. The sides here, and there's an extra pouch to put like a fun little toy. Even can fit. And over here, I like that it has its own insert for your pins, and it's a separate pocket for it, so I can pin my pins. So here are my pins. You can even use this side. It's like faux leather type. Can go in, and they're very cozy in there. Inside the bag, I really like the contrast of the color, so you can find your things. There's a big pocket here with a zip, and another pocket the same size actually as this one, but without a zipper, and it's quite roomy, and it can take a notebook, and my tablet can go in there, and my wallet. So it takes quite a lot. I'm so impressed.